Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very late October unboxing for the Cerynda's Enchantment subscription box for October and the 42 Nerdtastic Potions and Enchantment Beauty box. So let's just get into it. I'll start with the Cerynda's Enchantment box. This was the October box. Let's see. We have from Psyche Minerals. I think the theme was Disney villains or female villains. I'm not sure. This is eyeshadow in the shade Cruel, which is based on Cruella de Vil. It's red. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to take the paper off because I don't want stuff going everywhere. I have that. She includes her business card and a little coupon code. Oh, that's nice. I'll have to keep that. I like here's the bag that it came in. I mean, it came in an envelope, but it came in this little bag here. I thought that was cute. This is a complimentary sample from BFTE Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Wine Country. Looks like a pretty color, but I think I'll just pass it on because I don't have time to press that into anything. I might change my mind, but anyway. This is, okay, I think this is a liquid eyeshadow. And I can't remember what I did with the little card that it came with, because I'm not sure which company this is from. It's kind of cool. I like the color. I don't know. I don't know. Shake it. Pretty cool. Kind of neat that it's in a syringe. This is, what is this? Baroness Whipped Sugar Scrub? Or is that the name? Oh no. This, oh, wonder if that's what it is. Maybe it fell off of here. Mater Makeup Labs Poisoned Apple Eyeshadow Mutation. Yeah, that makes sense. This is Baroness Whipped Sugar Scrub. That's what it looks like. I'll have to use that today. I almost forgot about it. Is it still good? Oh yeah, it's still good. It's been sitting so long, I'm like, And this is Poor Unfortunate Souls, obviously based on Ursula. This is in the scent Bamboo. It's a little bath bomb. I don't really do baths, so I might pass this on. This is Fair Beauty Cosmetics. This is in the shade Hella. Looks like a bluish gray. I don't know. I don't know a lot of these villains. I mean, I know a few, but not all. This is another eyeshadow in the shade Syracuse. It's orange. I think this is supposed to be the evil person, Empusa. I'm not sure if that's from a video game or something. I don't know. Not familiar with that one. This is from Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics. This is in the shade Madame Suleiman. It's kind of like a sparkly mulled wine type shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the last thing I was really excited about, why I purchased the box. This is Apocalyptic Beauty in the shade Bellatrix. It's based on Bellatrix Lestrange, and it is a white highlighter. So that is it for that. I really like this little bag. It's so cute. I want to keep it. I don't know what I do with it, but it's cute. 42 monthly. This is the Potions and Enchantments beauty box. Oh, this is just an extra that I ordered. This is their body mist and room spray in the scent Moon Salt, and it's based on a move in wrestling. There's pomegranate, berry, and bergamot. I have a few others from this line. But anyway, first up is body hair and shimmer spray in the scent Essence, berry, apple, rose, sugar, and fig, and it is based on the Dark Crystal. Yes. Who didn't love Dark Crystal as a kid? Who doesn't like Jim Henson? Come on. I love the Dark Crystal. One of my favorite darker Jim Henson movies. Yeah, awesome. Am I missing something? They have that shimmer spray was $10. Teeny Trends decal. I think it was like a crystal decal for the Dark Crystal. That is currently going to be put on my cart. So that is why it's not in this box. Then we have the hallucinogenic lip sheer, which is based on Doctor Who. It is in this shade board, the scent Lollipop. It's a red lip sheer. And the Twisted Wonderland hand sanitizer in unicorn blood. It's all sparkly. This is $5, and the lip sheer was $5, and the little decal was $5. Don't really know about that one, but yeah. The retail value is $25. I think I don't remember how much I paid, but yeah, it wasn't the best box I've gotten. Oh, the Moon Salt, I got this separately because I got it for free because I won one of their, I won a code to get this free. So yeah. But anyway, wasn't my favorite box of theirs, so I mean it was fine, but I wasn't my favorite, so that was kind of disappointing. But anyway, that is it for the subscription box unboxings. For this unboxing, if you guys enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love you to join the fam. Click the notification bell if you like more notifications from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.